Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure virtual selling techniques with Zoom, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the fundamentals of virtual selling. Recognize the importance of building rapport in a digital environment. Familiarize yourself with Zoom features relevant to virtual selling. Log into your Zoom account and explore the user interface. Start by scheduling a meeting with your potential client. Select the date and time that works best for both parties. Send the invitation link via email or calendar invite. Prepare your meeting agenda in advance. Decide on the key points you want to discuss. Share the agenda with your client ahead of time. Ensure you have all necessary documents and materials ready. Test your internet connection to avoid disruptions. Check your audio and video settings to ensure clarity. Choose a professional background to maintain a business-like atmosphere. Consider using virtual backgrounds if your physical space is distracting. Plan to engage your audience throughout the meeting. Ask open-ended questions to encourage dialogue. Utilize Zoom's screen sharing feature to present your materials effectively. Practice your presentation to ensure smooth delivery. Keep an eye on the time to respect your client's schedule. Be ready to adapt based on the client's reactions and needs. Follow up after the meeting with a summary of key points discussed. Provide any additional resources your client may find useful. Solicit feedback to improve your virtual selling techniques. Continuously review and refine your approach based on experience. Stay updated on new Zoom features and best practices for virtual selling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.